Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I want to talk with you about the most important business lesson that you should have gleaned from the first presidential debate. Now, I'm not going to go political here. This is purely a business lesson. I was looking at the some posts on the internet this morning, as well as some letters to the editor in the Wall Street Journal with people complaining that Trump was a bully and Joe Biden was, well, flailing nasty. Basically, that these were two nasty guys who have forever ruined the office of the presidency. Here's the point. What do you really think that people who are high performers act like? Do you think that when they're actually put into a situation where they are dealing with each other, that they are nice and polite and soft and sweet and kind and filled with rainbows and unicorns? Now, there are some times when they pretend to be, but I guarantee you that not just politicians, but business people performing at a high level are as ruthless as watching two wild animals fighting on some nature show. What is shocking isn't that their behavior was shocking. What's shocking is that people are foolish enough to think that it was shocking. Now, I'm not telling you to be an asshole to everyone you meet, but I'm telling you that on the inside, if you don't have the self-esteem and the self-confidence, the self-worth to assert yourself, you are going to be run over. Tough love. Take it for that.